Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 11S 5G. And this 5G is very important because if you're just having the 11S, it is a bit different. So please just stay tuned if you have the 5G. If you have the 11S, then I have linked a tutorial here in the description. Okay, so let's start. So if you are having the 5G version of the 11S, then we will need next to the phone the Sim Ejection Tool, and it's part of the box. And in this box you will find a little white box here. And if you open it like this, you will find here the Sim Ejection Tool. Just flap the wings like this and you are having it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the Sim Ejection Tool or the paper clip. Just enter the hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, at the SIM tray of the 11S 5G, you are able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second one if you want, or a microSD to extend the internal storage. Let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it here at the first position like this. So there's a missing corner, so just put it here on the missing corner. So this is how it looks like then. And the contacts are below. Then, as I said, you can also, if you want, insert a second SIM card. In case if you want to insert a second SIM card, you will place it here at the end like this. So also missing corner on missing corner. But now the missing corner is below, so on the other side. And the contacts, as you can imagine, are also below. If you want to extend the internal storage with a microSD card, you have to remove here the second SIM card at the 5G version to have space for the microSD card. So it looks like this then. So the contacts are below as well. Okay, and after, just put your construction back into the phone like this, close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or may just subscribe me if you don't want to miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.